Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at Microsoft. Before we begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you'll greatly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's start off with Microsoft. So you can see that Microsoft found some support somewhere between this 50% at 241 and also somewhere between this 61.8% and 266. And as you can see, currently now previous resistance here has now turned into support. So that is a good sign for now. Of course, whether or not this is the real bottom, we do not know. But as of now, this is likely to be a very strong rebound. Looking at some of its Fibonacci resistance, you can see that on just last week, after the closing on Friday, we actually saw 5 days of continuous green and a lot of buying pressure and perhaps some short covering as well. So 38.2%, 264 was cleared, 269 was also cleared, and we closed the week at 273.24. Looking at its next resistance, which the market will be open on Tuesday, it will be at 275.40. So if we can, Microsoft can actually cross this 275.40, then it's likely for us to see 283 before retesting the high of 293. Of course, there are also gaps here to be filled. So this gap is currently at around 292 to a high of 296. So there's about a $4 gap that needs to be closed. And then there's one more gap here at 296 to a high of around 309. So this gap is 307 to 309 rather. So this is a $2 gap followed by a $4 gap that needs to be closed. As of now, the key resistance to watch will be 275 and also 293. If we can cross these two resistance, then potentially there may be more upside ahead. So what we want to see is this kind of wave patterns. Definitely stocks do not go in a straight line. And if we do pull back, then it's a good time to add. And hopefully it is just a correction rather than a wave down. So if it's a wave down like that, then that would not be a good sign for Microsoft. So hopefully the momentum can continue next week, and we'll see how it goes. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.